Hyperliquid's price dropped 10% after the launch of its first ETF on Nasdaq and a major USDC liquidity deal with Coinbase. The move defied expectations that these institutional catalysts would drive the token higher. Instead, the hype price sold off from $44 to $39 in textbook sell the news fashion. This has shifted attention to Pepeto, a new project that has already raised over $10.04 million in presale capital. While Hyperliquid's listed token struggles, Pepeto is gaining traction among wallets who see it as a better entry point ahead of a potential Binance listing. The project offers a zero-fee bridge, a contract scorer to flag risky tokens, and staking at 173% APY. With a presale entry price of 0.000000187 and a Binance listing rumored, investors are moving fast before the window closes. The Hype ETF listed by 21 shares brought in $1.8 million on day one, and Coinbase's USDC Treasury deal followed 2 days later. Both events should have pushed the price higher, but the market instead sold off, signaling that investors may already be pricing in the upside at a $10 billion valuation. This suggests the real returns this cycle could come from projects like Pepeto that are still. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Under the radar, Pepeto's presale is growing rapidly, with more than $10 million locked in and rising daily. The low entry price and the potential Binance listing are key draws. The project also features a zero-fee bridge that allows assets to move across chains without draining positions. The contract scorer adds an extra layer of security by identifying risky tokens before any funds are committed. Staking at 173% APY provides a strong return while holders wait for trading to open. The project was built by a former Binance expert and has been audited by SolidProof, adding credibility to its offering. The contrast between Hyperliquid's price slide and Pepeto's momentum highlights a broader trend in crypto markets. Institutional news often leads to immediate sell-offs, while retail-driven projects with strong fundamentals and clear utility can gain traction. Hyperliquid's sell-off may be a sign that the market is moving past the initial hype around ETFs and treasury deals, focusing instead on more tangible value propositions. Pepeto's zero-fee bridge and contract scorer are practical tools that address real issues in the DeFi space, making it attractive to both new and experienced investors. The staking APY is also a compelling feature that could drive further capital into the project. As the presale continues, the entry price remains low, and the potential Binance listing could act as a major catalyst for the token's price. The project's team and audit history add another layer of trust, which is crucial in a market where scams are common. Investors are watching closely to see if Pepeto can maintain its momentum and if the Binance listing materializes. The presale is still open, and the window for entry is closing as more capital flows in. The next signal to watch is whether the Binance listing is confirmed and most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. How it affects the token's price and liquidity. If the listing goes through, it could trigger a significant price movement and attract even more attention to the project. For now, the focus is on Pepeto's presale and its potential to become the next big mover in the market. The contrast with Hyperliquid's ETF and USDC deal highlights how institutional news can sometimes be a double-edged sword, pushing prices higher in the short term, but leading to sell-offs as the market digests the information. Pepeto, on the other hand, is building a foundation that could support long-term growth and adoption.